Hello guys, this is me Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. This job update will be a complete work from home job update. It means if you are able to clear the job, no need to visit anywhere. You can continue your day-to-day roles and responsibilities from your home location. It will be a full-time role and any graduate can apply for this job. Also, there will be no target in this job. So, if you want to get all the details about the job, you can watch the entire video. In this video, I will explain how you can apply for this job, and also I will provide you all the job description and details which you need to know before apply to this job. Also, in the video description area, I will provide you the job application link so that you can directly redirect in the job tab and you can directly apply for this specific role. So if you want to apply for this job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video and watch the entire video. If there is any doubt regarding the job, you can comment below so that I can resolve your query. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the screen and discuss about the job.
Hello everyone, this is Ms. Sangram. You are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new work from home based job opportunity for all the students and freshers graduates. The job opportunity is from Binance company and the job role is UX researcher. It's a non-technical role, so any graduate can apply for this role or any student can apply for this role. Also, it's a complete work from home based role, so if you have a stable internet connection and a laptop, then you can apply for this opportunity. So to apply for this role, you need to click on apply for this job button. I'll provide you this link in the video description so that you can apply for this role. Now they have mentioned all the details about the company, and they have already mentioned that the job role will be applicable for next 6 months. So it's a contractual role, and the people who want to join this program, they need to be available 5 days per week for a period of 6 months. Also, in responsibilities, they have mentioned 3 major responsibilities which the people need to deliver on weekly basis or daily basis. And in requirements, they have mentioned all the skills which will be required for this role: advanced proficiency in Microsoft Office application including Excel, Project, Visio, strong work ethic, attention to detail, excellent writing skill, ability to communicate, able to collaborate effectively across multiple business units, good customer service awareness, bilingual English is required to be able to coordinate with overseas partners and stakeholders. Then they have mentioned some benefits in why Binance area. You can gather these details, and after that, if you are interested, you can click on the apply for the job button to apply for this job. Also, if you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, I'll recommend you to subscribe the channel to get regular job updates. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.
If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care.